How to stretch text in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stretch text in Canva. So let's get started. First, open a Canva project and then on the left panel, go to text and then add a heading. Now select a font. Make the font uppercase. Increase the size. Now on the top right corner, go to the share and then download. Click on download. Now delete this and then go to the upload. Now we are going to upload the image and upload it. Now click on the image. Now go to the edit image. Click on crop. Click on shift button and hold it and then drag above the image. Click on done. So this is how you can stretch text in Canva. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.